I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Got places to be. I'm ready to go. I said I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Look, I got people to see. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Got money to see. I'm ready to go. I said I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I think they waiting on me. I'm ready to go. I got moves to make. I got rules to break. If you ain't up on your grind, then you need to participate. Well, let me articulate how real niggas do this. You wanna be a teacher, then you gotta be a student. If money had a language, then the shit would be fluent. Watch them for them backstabbers, cause you know that they do this. I swear to God I can do this. I got the right mindset. Am I on my grind? Yes. Am I trying to shine? Yes. Songs with the concepts, this is what they waiting on. I'm a chef in the studio with an apron on. And while you posted on that park bench, I get flying the booth just like I'm Clark Kent. Haters spark shit, but they never act on it. Toe to toe, hand in hand, I put some racks on it. You're not beating me, homie, my name's Victory. I'm ready to go, cause these niggas cannot get with me. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Got places to be. I'm ready to go. I said I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Look, I got people to see. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Got money to see. I'm ready to go. I said I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I think they waiting on me. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to move. All I do is win. All you do is lose. Look, I got something to prove. I'm destined to shine, boy. Too many rocks in the watch, can't tell the time, boy. I'm so far ahead of these niggas, I swear to God. I'll overlap a nigga rapping on the track, dog. Be my catalog. I got plenty hits. I see the look in your eyes, homie, you envious. You a snake in disguise, see, I should've known. Keep them squares up out of your circles, homes. Time ain't waiting for nobody, so I gotta get it. MAD, that's what I rep, that stand for make a difference. I had a vision to get my fam up out the hood. Nice cars, new estates, now we living good. On the road to success, I'm so blessed. I can show you how to do it, just put a pep in your step. Go hard for what you rep, but always put God first. These niggas don't understand, I'm just doing God's work. Getting things back in perspective, I'm getting it back in order. I'm trying to have it right for my future sons and daughters. Boy, I'm on the road to success, is you feeling me? And nothing can stop me, physically or mentally. Willpower, determination, you see I'm driven on your mark, say go, fuck boys, you care. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Got places to be. I'm ready to go. I said I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Look, I got people to see. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Got money to see. I'm ready to go. I said I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I think they waiting on